Hello and welcome to Windows Tutorials. Windows 11 tutorials. To check if you are using Windows 11, you can click on the Start menu, go to Settings and check the System. When you go to System, if you go to About at the very bottom, you will see what type of operating system you are using and what type of computer you have. So as you can see, this is Windows 11 Pro. These are the version details. The first tutorial will cover how to check for Windows Update. Once you open settings, when you click here and open settings, on the top right corner, on the left hand side you will be on home, and on the top right corner you have Windows Update. This tutorial will teach you how to update Windows or check if updates are available. Click on it and as you can see, any new update will be over here. If you click on check updates, it will check if any new updates are there other than the update that it is suggesting. The focus of this video is to show you how to install the Windows updates as well if there are any. Meantime, as it checks for the updates, I will check and explain a few settings. Ensure that this is on if you are on unmetered connection. This will ensure that you get the updates as soon as they are available. You can pause the Windows updates or extend them for a week if you have any issues. Please ensure that you resume updates if you make changes. The update history screen will show you all the updates that you have installed. If you want to go back, click on the top where it says Windows Update. Advanced settings are there for a particular purpose, but covering these is beyond the scope of this video. You can configure time and you can turn this on. Ensure that if you are on a metered connection, ensure that download updates over metered connection is off. This, if it is on, it will consume a lot of your bandwidth. So this depends on your preference. You can keep it on or off. On over here. And the last setting that I will cover is Windows Insider Programs. Windows Insider Program offers you a way wherein you can get latest updates from Windows. It will give you an inside view of what is going on. So you can leave the Insider Program. If you are already on the Insider Program, you can leave it or you can join the Insider Program. Go back to Windows Update. Now the scope of this video was to show you how to get the updates. As you can see, once you click on all these, once you make the changes that I told you, it says it is installing the updates. So as you can see, this is the thing. If it is not installing the updates, you click on install all over there on the top and it will install and update the components for Windows. So as you can see, it completed one installation. When it says complete, it means that it has updated the Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. I have more videos coming, so please ensure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also, if this video was super helpful for you, This is Windows 11 tutorials, how to update Windows. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's all there is to it for now, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing. Also, if you have any doubts, comment on the video. Thank you. Have a good one.